Burgundy nails are timeless and perfect for those who want elegance with a touch of romance. It's a fantastic choice for fancy events or when you want to feel extra classy. Dark blue nails are both calming and bold. Sapphire makes it flexible for various occasions. Charcoal grey nails are stylish and a bit unconventional. They offer a sophisticated alternative to black, making you stand out with style. Nail polish isn't just a makeup item, it's a way to showcase your style and let your creativity shine. From the past to today's ever-changing trends, nail polish has played a main role in fashion and self-expression. Modern dark nail polish comes in a bunch of captivating colors, each with its own charm. Get your nails ready just by following these tips. Start with clean, dry nails. Remove old nail polish and trim the shape of your nails as you like. Always apply a base coat to protect your nails and help the polish stick better. Put on nail polish in thin, even coats to avoid streaks and clumps. Let us coat each dry completely before applying the next one. Use a quick dry top coat for a shiny finish. Use a small brush with nail polish remover to fix any mistake around the edges. Nail polish styles offers a world of creativity and self-occupation right at your fingertips. Experiment with different colors, techniques and designs are used to discover your signature nail look. Whether you like them or you look beautiful in them.